Okay, this is one set, 4 set buttons, and with micro switches, which can be used on the Life of Luxury. And each set will be 11 buttons. So this part is under the buttons. This also, okay? This is micro switches which will be connected to external downsides of these buttons. Okay, this buttons has this, and this. Okay, 4 parts will be assembled to one complete buttons. So if you buy 1 full set of these buttons, we can sell to you. Thank you. On the Life of Luxury, there are 11 buttons, and which means total each of the items will be 11. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.